One question that comes up a lot when people are creating their store, looking to sell on Amazon is, should I make a general store or a niche store? The quick answer is, you can do both. When you're just getting started, like I suggest, you can just start selling any product that looks like a good opportunity and make money. And then you can also add as many brands to your account as you want. Now, you will need to get a trademark if you want to get brand registry. So it's expensive to have a lot of brands as time goes on, but you can have one overarching brand. So essentially, you could just be General Goods, could technically be your brand name if it's not trademarked, and then you could sell whatever you want underneath that. Now, what you're going to want to do over time is build that brand, but I'll just show you an example of a general store. So let's say we go to Amazon, we look up a can opener, we go down to this one right here. This is just a general store. You can see it doesn't really have any branding on it. It's sold by, well, Insteco is the brand here, and then it's sold by Voco. So if we take a look at Voco, right here, you're going to see his store and all the products that he sells. He or she. And it does appear to be quite random. They have an electric can opener, pet anti-barking device, some other can openers, some finger stretchers. I mean, they're just selling random stuff here. And if we take a look at the actual brand, here's their storefront. And you see they're just very random products, but apparently it's working for them. So you don't have to be tied to one specific product, but over time you do want to build out that brand. But hopefully this was helpful. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know and I'll be glad to answer.